Good morning. Okay, carrying on from our expanding single brackets, we are going to look at expanding and simplifying two single brackets. So we did do some simplifying, we did do some expanding, so we are going to combine the two. We're going to expand the brackets first and then simplify the brackets afterwards. So let's have a look at example 1. My equation says, or my expression says, 3 lots of x plus 1 plus 2 lots of x minus 3. So the number in front of the bracket means I need to multiply everything inside the bracket by the number on the outside. So what I'll do first is I'll take each individual bracket, there's 2 in here, so there's one at a time. I will expand them, and then I'll put both of those expansions together and then simplify the answer. So 3 lots of x plus 1 will be equal to, well, that's 3 lots of x, that's a times, 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times plus 1, 3 times plus 1, which is 3 times 1, which is just 3. So I've expanded the first bracket. So let's expand the second bracket as well. 2 lots of, that's a plus 2, so that's plus 2 lots of x minus 3. So plus 2 times x is plus 2x, and plus 2 times minus 3, well, that's a positive, and plus times a minus, a positive times a negative. Well, actually, the rule is a plus times a minus equals a minus. Okay, so we need to remember that rule. So 2 times 3 gets us 6, a plus times a minus gets us a minus, so it's minus 6. So now, the thing I need to do next is I need to put all of this together. Okay, so I'm going to take the first term, which was 3x plus 3, then the second term, plus 2x minus 6, and now I'm going to simplify the answer. So I've expanded the brackets, and now I'm going to simplify. So let's first look at the x's. I've got 3x plus 2x. So 3x plus 2x, if I've got 3 of something and I'm adding another 2 of them, then I should have 5. So that's 5x. And then I've got plus 3 minus 6. Well, that's the same as 3 take away 6. So take away 6 from 3. If we just count down from 3 and then into the negatives, and we need to count 6 times, then it goes 3, 2, 1. Well, actually, it goes from 3 to 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Alright, so the starting point is 3, we don't include that number, so our first count is to 2, and then to 1, and then to 0. So we actually get to minus 3, and that is the answer. Okay, so let's have a look at this second example. I've got 4 lots of 2y minus 1, take away 2 lots of 3y plus 4. So I'm going to expand each bracket first. I've got 4 lots of 2y minus 1. So I do 4 times 2y. 4 times 2 gets me 8. 1. 4 lots of 2y. So if I've got 4 lots of 2 anything, then it's 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's 8y. And then 4 lots of minus 1. A positive times a negative. A plus times a minus. We had the rule earlier. That's going to be a minus 4. So 8y minus 4. Let's do the second bracket. That's a minus 2 in front. So it's minus 2 times 3y plus 4. And that's equal to minus times a plus. So the other rule is we have plus times a minus. Well, actually, a minus times a plus gives us the same answer. It will give us a minus answer. So a minus times a plus, so that's 2 times 3. 2 lots of 3y is going to be 6y, but a minus times a plus will make it a minus 6y. Minus 2 times a plus 4. So we've done this one, now we're doing this one. A minus times a plus gives us a minus. 2 times 4 gives us 8, so that's minus 8. So the next step is to combine the two brackets that we've expanded. So we've got 8y minus 4. And then I've got minus 6y minus 8. So now simplify. This is the last bit we need to do, which is simplify. So I've got 8y minus 6y. Well, 8 take away 6 is 2, so we are left with 2y. Minus 4 minus 8. And minus 4 take away another 8 should get us to minus 12. And that is our answer. Minus 2y minus 12. Right, third and final example. So again, I'm going to start by expanding each individual bracket. So we've got 3 lots of 2g plus 7. 3 times 3 lots of 2g should get us 6g. And 3 lots of 7, 3 times 7 is 21. So we've got 6g plus 21. Now on the second bracket, we've got a minus 2 lots of minus 2 times g minus 5. Right, a minus times a plus, so that's minus 2 lots of g. So a minus times a plus, let's go back to the second example. A minus times a plus is a minus, so that's minus 2g. But a minus times a minus is different to the two we've seen before. Means the answer, if we multiply a negative by a negative, we get a positive. So it's going to be a minus times a 2 times 5, it's going to be a plus, and it's going to be plus 10. So now that I've expanded the bracket, I would like us to simplify it. So we put all of the bits together. So 6g plus 21 minus 2g plus 10. And then we're just going to simplify the bits. Remember, the g's can be collected. So we've got 6g minus 2g. 6 lots of something take away 2 lots of it will leave us 4g. And then we've got plus 21 plus 10. So 21 add another 10 will get us to 31. Okay, there's a few examples. I'm going to give you a worksheet to do and show my homework. So do your best. If you get any questions, then give me an email. Send me an email, and I'll do my best to answer it. Have a great day.